Day 11. Today was a day of detail and dedication. With the large canvas coming together beautifully, I focused on refining the finer aspects of the painting and preparing for the completion of the first piece in my Dreamscape series. It was a day of precision and patience, where every small adjustment contributed to the overall harmony of the work. I started the morning by examining the canvas closely, identifying areas that needed more attention or refinement. I noticed some spots where the color transitions needed smoothing or where additional highlights could enhance the dreamlike quality of the piece. With my palette ready, I set to work making these subtle adjustments. One of the key focuses today was enhancing the color transitions. I used glazes and washes to blend colors more seamlessly, creating smooth gradients that added depth and cohesion to the painting. This involved applying thin layers of paint and carefully blending them while still wet to achieve the desired effect. The goal was to create a sense of fluidity and movement that aligns with the Dreamscape theme. I also spent time adding highlights and details to specific areas. Using a fine brush, I carefully painted in additional highlights and shadows to emphasize key elements and create a sense of dimensionality. These touches were crucial for bringing out the intricate textures and enhancing the overall impact of the painting. In the afternoon, I focused on the finishing touches. I carefully reviewed the entire canvas, making small adjustments to ensure that every detail contributed to the cohesive vision of the Dreamscape series. This involved refining textures, adjusting colors, and ensuring that all elements were harmoniously integrated. I took breaks throughout the day to step back and assess the painting from different angles and distances. This perspective helped me see how the adjustments were affecting the overall composition and allowed me to make any necessary changes to maintain balance and unity. By the end of the day, the canvas had reached a point where I felt confident in its development. The refinements and details had added richness and depth, bringing the painting closer to completion. I felt a deep sense of accomplishment and satisfaction in the progress made. As evening approached, I took time to reflect on the work achieved and consider the next steps in the Dreamscape series. The focus on details today had been both challenging and rewarding, and I was eager to apply the insights gained to future pieces. Tomorrow, I plan to begin the process of preparing for the next painting in the series. With the first piece nearing completion, I am excited to continue the creative journey and explore new dimensions of the Dreamscape theme. The progress made today has reinforced my dedication to the project and my passion for the artistic process.